Toimittaessaan virkaansa silloin hän oli huolellinen. Toimittaessaan.
A participle, acting as an adverbial phrase, meaning, when performing, carrying out his, her duties.
Lainausmerkki. It's a complex form built from the verb asteriski toimittaa asteriski. To perform. To deliver. To carry out. The
Esan.
ending indicates the present participle, implying a simultaneous action. The
Toimita.
stem refers to the action of performing a duty or task. The
Esan.
ending adds the meaning of
While doing.
and agrees with the third-person singular possessive.
His, her.
The pronunciation is roughly
Toi mit tar as san, with the stress on the second syllable.
virkaansa,
Means, his, her duties, or, his, her office.
asteriski virka asteriski means.
Duty.
Lainausmerkki pilkku lainausmerkki.
Office.
Or.
Position.
While asteriski ansa asteriski is a possessive suffix indicating possession by a third-person singular.
His, her.
The pronunciation is approximately.
Via cans, with the emphasis on the first syllable.
Silloin.
Means then, or, at that time. It's an adverb of time. Pronounced.
Silloin.
With the stress on the first syllable.
Hän.
Means, he, or, she, the third person singular pronoun. Pronounced.
Han.
With a short, clear
A.
sound.
Oli.
Means, was. The third person singular form of the verb olla. To be. It's a past tense form, indicating a state of being in the past pronounced.
Oli.
With the stress on the first syllable.
Huolellinen.
Means, careful, diligent, or, thorough. It's an adjective describing the subject's character or action. Pronounced.
Huolellinen.
With the stress on the second syllable. Putting it together.
Toimittaessaan virkaansa silloin hän oli huolellinen.
Means, when performing his, her duties then he, she was careful, or, he, she was careful when carrying out his, her duties at that time. It describes someone diligently fulfilling their responsibilities.